Hi and welcome to our channel. For our first video we thought we'd try our hand at feeding Toby some homemade sushi in front of our camera. We thought this would be such a good idea and that all would go smoothly, but no. This spoilt little fella had some chicken and steak sushi with a few vegetables from the back of the fridge. Recipe is down below if anyone is interested. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. And what should we feed him next? You know what he's going to do? You're going to have to chop them in half.
Yeah, I am.
Because he's
going to take them away. Yeah.
Bye, have a great time.
Can you do me a favour, buddy? Please, just stay in frame, okay, mate?
I'll do my best. See ya.
Stay. Alright, mate. Sit. Good boy. Nice. That's it, mate. That's it. Stay in frame. Stay in frame, Toby. Stay in frame. Good boy. Okay, stay. No. Toby. Toby, no, mate.
Oh, no.
Here we go.
Okay, I might try it from this side instead. Alright, champ. Alright, take a seat. Sit down. Stay. Stay. Up. Stay. Okay, good boy. Good boy. That nice, mate. Poor soy sauce. Steak, mate. Sit. Stay. Stay. Don't. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sit down. Sit. Never mind. Alright, you go. You go, buddy. It's just all gonna go on the floor. Mate, this is my side. Get back on your own side, thank you. Over there. Mate, sit. Toby, sit. Alright, mate. Good job, buddy. Alright, here's some seaweed. Good job, mate. I'm gonna have this piece. Look at that.
What a mess.
That's how much he ate of that last one. What an absolute mess. What a disaster. For whatever reason I thought he'd just... He's gonna need a bib.
Oh, no shit.